Hey guys, it's Lisa. I know you're searching the web to see how to cut this papaya. Let me show you. We're going to slice it in half, scoop out all the seeds. So now let's peel the papaya. You can use a peeler or a paring knife, whichever you're most comfortable with. Be careful when you're peeling this because it gets really slippery. I'm going to take off that little end and just slice. Now you could stop here and eat it like this, or if you want to, you can cut it into little bite-sized pieces. And that's how you peel and cut a papaya. If you want to watch other how-to videos or see how to use the papaya in a recipe, click here.